How to make voices faster on 11 Labs. Well, as sad as it is, 11 Labs does not have an inbuilt feature to do this, but I'm going to show you a free tool. You can do this completely for free online. You don't even have to download anything. So this is what my audio sounds like now. Cold wind howled through the abandoned subway. You can just go ahead and download this and then come to this website, audiotrimmer.com/audio-speed-change/. Okay, now you want to go ahead and upload your file right here. So I will come and pick this one. I'll drag and drop. Cold wind howled through the abandoned subway station. Now all you want to do is use this slider to change the speed. As James stepped cautiously onto the cracked tiles, his flashlight flickering, the distant sound of dripping water echoed through the tunnel. As you can see, the speed of the audio has become faster. You can go ahead and slide it as much as you want. But beneath it, he swore he heard something else. And if you want to download it, all you need to do is come and click on change speed, and then it's going to process. And then you can go ahead and just click on download, and it will start downloading automatically right there. And these are the different supported formats. It's really that easy and simple.